Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more videos if you would like to, hear from me on Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Okay, let's go ahead. Today, I'm just going to tell you a small, it's kind of, trick which you can just check here. So under the extensions, if you just click on the Dynamics 365, you have one more option like add-ins. So when you just click on add-ins, here you'll just have a different options. Here I wanted to show you two options. One is run form pattern report. So what will happen, if you just click on this run form pattern report, whatever the forms that you have already existing forms, okay, you'll be able to see all the forms with the form patterns. What are the form patterns that forms are using? Okay, and you can also see data entity report in the same way. So you, if you just wanted to have a complete data entity list, you can able to just click on this data entity report. Like the same goes with the forms. Let's open any one of this, like run form pattern report. I'll just click on it. So whenever you click on it, there will be a message popping up here. We have to wait for it. Just give me a moment. So yeah, it will open. So you have to follow this, path. See users local admin documents. So you have to just go to the C folder. After that, let's check this. After that, users local admin. So users local admin and documents, and here form patterns report. This is a pattern report. So let's open, and on top of it you're able to see the entity report as well. Yeah, you will be able to see model as well. Okay, so see here, these are the form names and what is the pattern and style that they have used. So everything that you can able to see. Okay, how many controls that they have used also you can able to see. So for the invent location this form, so the pattern is task parent child, and the bottom one leave accurate edit. Further, the pattern is list page and the style is list page, and there are 12 controls that they have created in this form. So you can able to see complete form details with their form patterns. Okay, so if we'll try to open the entity report as well, this is also the CSV file. So you can just see the entity name and also public entity name for that, and what is the model belongs to the belong to this entity, which model it is, and also you have entity whether it is public or not, and form reference. So what is the form which is referred to that particular entity, and what is this? Just wait. Primary context, I guess. So sorry, primary company context. So what is the primary company context that they have given to that entity, and the field count. So you have a different options that you can able to see all the entities at one place. Okay, the same goes with the form patterns as well. Yeah, this is a simple one where you can just check all the object in one place. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.